Got the cavity closer 35 in my hand here, and this is with a 35mm counter batten, so that'll come down and finish in line with our cavity closer. So we're going to install this across the wall here. They come in 2.4 meter lengths, and so this is just going to be an example wall to go through the process. So we just finished installing the cavity closer at the bottom and also our 35mm cavity batten. That's on our cavity closer 35. So you'll see how it's installed, closing up that bottom space, our battens sitting over and on the top, and you'll see how on our batten we run that ruler down, finishes in line with that outer edge of the cavity closer. So we've sealed up that cavity closer. This cavity closer 35 provides over 2,000 square millimeters of ventilation up our wall cavity. Now on our wall system, we're going to install cement sheet cladding, setting this horizontally because we've got our vertical batten. You can see we still have our ventilated space behind our cladding, so drainage for moisture to drain away, but also to provide air and ventilation up our wall. Our cladding is hard up against our cavity closer there, hard up against our batten, so we've got a fully sealed cavity closer at the bottom, still providing ventilation to our wall, and a 2mm aperture aluminium to provide protection from bushfire.